In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now click on Screen Lock over here and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds to select Got It in the pop-up. And finally, create your login method. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are sure of your choice though, you need to repeat it to confirm it. Make sure you remember it and then choose confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wanna add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by clicking on Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, select Cancel. You can always do it later in the same section of your settings. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!